day of a whole lot of nothing. I've been sitting on my computer working on some YouTube comments and thumbnails and editing and stuff, but otherwise just kind of relaxing and being very lazy. I told you guys earlier I wasn't feeling super great. I've been tired all day, so I've just been taking advantage of the fact that I didn't have anywhere I had to be today, and just kind of chilling. I've been watching Dave Ramsey videos. I'm all about that budgeting thing right now, like learning more about budgets and different ways to finagle money and whatnot. So I've been watching that, just working on that stuff. I'm gonna make a cup of coffee because it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't had any coffee yet, and I'm hoping that'll kind of wake me up a little bit, get me moving, because I'd like to be productive in some way or another today. But Eric's on call starting tonight, so I don't anticipate him coming home at any certain time. He'll probably end up working late. We're having leftovers for dinner from that shepherd's pie we had the other night, so really, other than a couple of loads of laundry that could be done, there's not a whole lot that I really need to do. So just kind of taking it easy, and that's probably going to be the theme of the weekend as well. No plans. We tend not to make any major plans when Eric's on call, because we just always have to cancel them because he ends up having to work. So just a real low-key weekend, which is good because, you know, December's kind of the month of craziness, and so we'll be having lots of stuff going on later in the month, as we tend to do. So just kind of taking it easy today. What do you guys do when you have a day completely off and you have no plans and you can just do whatever you want? What do you guys do? How do you spend it? I'd love to hear from you. Leave me some comments down below. Yeah, I'm going to finish making my coffee, watch some more Dave Ramsey. Robbie will be walking in the door in about a half an hour. And, yeah, just kind of a low-key day. Feels nice. Alright, so today's Advent activity is say it, don't spray it. What? So this is a game I got at Dollar Tree.
Those things. There's a lot of games.
Gives you 2 little mouthpieces to wear. Robbie, Austin, and Daddy's here as a witness. And it gives you cards. You're supposed to put the mouthpiece in your mouth and then read off the card, and we're supposed to try to guess what you say. But to make it holiday themed, I thought instead you could just choose a Christmas movie title or Christmas song title and try to say that. So the mouthpiece goes, see the picture?
I don't think your mouth is big enough for that one.
Are they 2 different sizes?
Are they? I think they're the same size.
I think they're the same size. But
I think this one's twice
bigger.
the size.
that one's bigger. Okay. Robbie, you got a big mouth, so go ahead and make it, put it in there. So who wants to go first? Okay, put it in front of your teeth, not on your teeth. There you go.
Okay.
He's going for you don't have a card.
You don't need a card. He's going to do a Christmas movie title or a Christmas song title.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Yeah. Ow.
So they don't like it?
It hurts, but I think I can figure it out.
Go ahead, Robbie.
Jingle bells.
Jingle bells.
So I guess it's pretty easy,
You're
actually.
supposed to take it out in your
Okay.
So I guess it's pretty easy, actually, to understand you, isn't it?
Home Alone 3.
Home Alone 3.
Come on.
I'm trying to think. I'm having trouble.
Go ahead, you go again then.
Grinch Stole Christmas.
Grinch Stole Christmas.
Ow! Oh.
Or maybe we should have you guys sing the Christmas songs. Maybe that's the trick.
Oh. Yes.
Yeah, let's try that. Try it,
Okay.
Austin.
What's it? I don't know which one I want to do. Jingle. Ow! I can't do it. It hurts.
Okay.
It bends.
I know.
Okay, so they're both having a hard time. Well, mostly Robbie's having a hard time coming up with things to say. So instead, we just gave him a card. So go ahead.
These are like little phrases, I think.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take one for next.
Do I have to say all 4 or just one?
Start with 1.
Just choose one. I'm gonna go back first.
Twinkle, twinkle, little stars.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Really?
His mouth's wide open. I'm trying to throw food in it.
You quit it.
Okay, just do whichever one you want. You get to choose.
A. That feels so weird.
Well, yeah, it's supposed to.
You are weird.
A. My lips don't want to do that.
That's why it's harder to understand you with certain phrases. That's why
Yeah.
they give you certain phrases to say.
A.
Just say
I can't
it.
make the
You
word.
haven't even tried.
I can't.
Then do a different one.
Sleek.
Sleek,
Sweet,
Tiny.
tiny,
Tired.
tired.
Toddler.
toddlers. Now try the other one that you said you couldn't say.
I can't do bees.
Okay. Let me try. Can I try that one?
You need your lips to make a bee.
Can I try? Can I try the bee?
Go ahead,
Oh wait, no, I have a bee one. Okay.
If you would just leave those things in there,
Yeah, but then it hurts.
it's upside down.
Also, then you end up drooling.
That's the idea. You're supposed to say it, not spray it. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. It hurts to smile. Other side, rig, deer. That's what a bee sounds like.
Something about a beaver?
Let me try that again. Yeah, you got beaver. Daughter song.
The otter sung? What?
Stop! Ow, it hurts to smile.
It's upside down.
I don't care.
Okay.
Actually, I do.
Yeah.
The other sound. I can't make a D. The other sound dig here.
Okay. All I heard was beaver.
It's bothersome big beaver. Okay, can I try
Oh,
it?
bothersome. Yes, okay. Alright, so Robbie's no fun. He doesn't like to look ridiculous on camera, so we're gonna let Austin read one more card.
Wait, okay, this is the right one. Oh no, not this one again. Pennies, turtle, piggy, dank.
Penny's Purple Piggy Bank?
Yeah! Monsters munch mangoes.
Monsters Munch Mangoes.
Okay. Patrick the pickled herring.
Patrick the Pickled Herring.
Victory is my middle name.
Victory is my middle name.
Okay, I'll give you another one. 'cause I like this.
One more card.
It depends how short it is. I use worms for fish bait.
What?
You use worms for what?
Fishing
bait.
No.
Fish bait.
Yeah.
Okay.
Red beavers burrowing.
Red beavers burrowing.
Last rice. Popcorn and fizzy coke.
Popcorn and fizzy coke.
Yeah. Doodle the hoodle and pink.
Say it again.
Doodle the hoodle in pink.
Doodle the poodle in pink.
Okay.
Alright guys, so this is gonna wrap up the vlog for today. I know it was short, but I've actually been snoozing on the couch off and on for the last 3 hours. Or I told you guys earlier I was so tired. I think I fell asleep at like 7 o'clock and slept straight through until now. And it's 9:40, so probably gonna be up all night now, which is awesome. But feeling a little bit less tired, I guess. I don't know what it is. I must be getting sick. Must be. But anyways, I'm gonna call it a night. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.